Guys, hello everyone. Crypto interest is with you. Right now, the daily Bitcoin review. I tell you how to trade today to get the maximum profit on the market. Short, very helpful video. This week promises to be the most interesting in the last 6 months, and this is not a joke. This is because on November 2nd, on Wednesday, we have the Fed meeting and we already know that the increase will most likely be 75 basis points. But that's not what's important. What Jerome Powell says is important, because it really can change the course of the game. Now let's get to the charts. So, let's go in order. Bitcoin just bounced off this level and went up. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to exit higher to around 22,300, but there are nuances because it could be a trap. You and I could potentially fall down. I want to start with specific entry points. So, here I am considering 2 main scenarios. The third scenario with a trap will be shown at the end. So, the first scenario, which is pretty good and now looms, is essentially the formation of a triangle with a certain preload here and then with the subsequent exit above. And if suddenly you are sitting without positions, then here, to break through this level, after tightening, you can gain a position or fly, respectively, right here, to the 22,300 area, and this is actually the ideal option that I'm waiting for. The second scenario, in addition to the compression, is the scenario that we are still here with you. We will form the fourth point here and after that we will go higher. We have enough time to do this. Again, if you are without positions, then here from this level at the fourth point you can gain positions. That is, in fact, we have 2 priority scenarios with you and the nearest targets are 22,300. Well, then we will look at the situation. Depending on what the Fed's rhetoric will be, we can easily break through to highs here at $23,000 and further. If we gain a foothold here, we can test the range of $25,000. Well, now let's move on to a potential trap that we can see and should not be underestimated. In general, what is happening in the market right now? Everyone has already opened longs, everyone is already waiting for a higher exit, and what do you think would be ideal for the crypto market to see? It is natural to withdraw liquidity before we go higher. And now imagine, now on expectations, or right at the moment the Fed rate is released, we will see just such a red candle, withdrawal of liquidity, exit of all stops and return to our strong level and after that exit higher. And in fact it can be. In the crypto market, there are always such traps, constant withdrawal of liquidity. In what case can this happen? You and I should see something similar, for example, exit, here, then exit again to the upper border, then a sharp drop below, here, accordingly, everyone gets scared, everyone crashes on stop losses, everyone changes long to short positions and after that Bitcoin goes beyond this level, here it forms a confirmation and after that it flies higher by $23,000. Therefore, if you see something like this, do not be afraid, keep in mind what it could be. Frankly speaking, now it is impossible to say whether it will be 50-50 or not. But, in any case, be prepared for such manipulations. And let's say a few words about S&P. On a large time frame, we have 2 good, green weeks in a row, and the withdrawal of liquidity with such a shadow and then moving higher also looks cool. In general, the S&P also looks like this option, so keep in mind. By the way, for Bitcoin, the final moment is still. I also want to show you on the 4-hour RSI timeframe. We have made such a false breakout of the RSI trendline on the 4-hour timeframe, so also watch carefully. That's all guys, that's all you need to know for today to get the maximum profit in the market. And the most important thing for me is your support, so subscribe to the channel right now, be sure to turn on notifications so as not to miss the latest releases, and of course, put the maximum likes, because your likes are food, energy and motivation for me, which makes me shoot every day and keep you updated. I also want to remind you, this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. I am not a financial advisor. Bye everyone.